Hello and welcome to another quick maths tutorial. Today I'll be explaining what a gradient is on a simple straight line graph. Okay, so here if you look where the red line is, I've got the function labelled as y minus the first y is equal to m over x minus the first x. Might be look a little complicated, but really it's y equals mx. The minusing is just showing one set of y, take another value of y, as in the difference between two coordinates. That's it, the change in y is equal to m times the change in x. The reason for that is that's how you'd work out a gradient, which is m, that's what m is. As you see here, m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or the change in y over the change in x. That's what a gradient is. It's how steep the line is, or by how much has the y coordinate changed per one x coordinate. So you divide it by the change in x to get x as down to 1 to work out how much the y has changed. That will be how steep the graph is. In this case, the gradient is 1. It moves up. The y value increases by 1 as the x value increases by 1. And I've got two coordinates labelled here. Xy is minus 1, 1, and xy is 2, 4. Okay, two sets of coordinates. And so to work out the gradient of this line, we do one of our x coordinates, usually the biggest, so 2, take away our second one, which is minus 1, and that will get us 3. Okay, it'll get us 4 even. Sorry. Yeah, it gets positive 3. And then we do our top y coordinate 4 minus our second y coordinate 1, which would give us 3 as well. So then we do the change in y, which is 3, divided by change in x, which is 3, and that just gives us 1. We've put it into at the m equals equation there, and we could change these values. Okay, and so I'm doing a slider here. I'll put this on slide. It's changing here, first x coordinate. That will change the gradient. The gradient will depend on all these. Okay, so here the gradient's 15. Okay, so that's all the gradient of a line is. How steep? This is for straight lines only. If it is curved, the gradient has to be worked out from the tangent to a curved line, which I'll talk about in another video. Okay, so all you need to remember is that m is equal to the change in y over the change in x. Thanks for watching.